It's another great day here in North Idaho at Oreille Aviation. We've got a 1979 Piper Warrior 2 we're going to be bringing to market for the family. Come along for a ride.
Oreille traffic, tag 1327 November, midfield left downwind 20 full stop Oreille.
Airspeed's alive, gauges are in the green. There's 50, 55, 60.
Oreille traffic, Cherokee 81016 to stop at 02, be turning to the northwest, heading for the north practice area, Oreille traffic.
So we're here in a 1979 Piper Warrior, November 81016. It's a Piper, it's in the Piper PA-28 family. The PA-28 family came out in 1960. It's the fourth most produced aircraft in history and remains in production today. The Warrior name came out in 1974 with 150 horse engine in it. The Warrior 2 came out in 77, was upgraded to 160 horse, and that's out of a Lycoming 0320, so carbureted 320. November 81016 is a 79 Warrior 2. It's been owned by the same family for over 30 years. It spent the first part of its life in California until the early 90s when it came to North Idaho, where it's been ever since. It has complete logbooks, no damage history. All the ADs, including the pesky wing spar ADs, have been complied with. As you can see, the panel is a basic IFR panel. However, the family's done some nice upgrades to it. It's got the Garmin GTX 345 transponder, so that makes it ADS out compliant. The 345 also has ADS-B in, so we're running it on, it's connected to my phone right now and running ForeFlight so we can see traffic and things like that. It has the Garmin GMA 345 audio panel, which is a really nice audio panel. It's got Bluetooth in it. You can actually connect your phone, play music through it to all the different headsets. It does have the old King KX170Bs. Yes, they're old radios, but they do a great job. Still, I mean, we're obviously talking on them right now, and they're super clear. So, and then for navigation, it's got this nice Garmin Era 660. So, a lot of nice features out of that for navigation and things. So, on this plane, so the family's decided to upgrade to something a little bit larger for more cargo area. So they made the tough decision to go ahead and have us listed, get it on the market so it can move on to the next owner. Sandpoint area traffic, Warrior 81016 is 12 to the southwest 4,000 feet. We're northeast bound. Sandpoint traffic. So below us is Oreille Lake, and off to the left of the airplane is the town of Sandpoint. Kind of a fun fact of Oreille, it's a super deep lake. It's around 1,300 feet deep. And it actually, the Navy has a base on it, believe it or not. Yes, Idaho, landlocked state. And the Navy has a base on this lake, and they run scale submarines on it. So it's not this part of the lake, it's further south down by Coeur d'Alene where they do that. But kind of fun fact about Oreille Lake there. You can see we're cruising along here. We're kind of in a cruise power setting, doing 106 knots. Not too bad for a little trainer plane. And we've got the useful load on this plane is 820 pounds. We've got 3 people in here right now, so it's doing a pretty good job. We've had a few questions from folks asking why sometimes am I flying the aircraft that we're shooting on, that we have for YouTube, and then other times why is there another flight instructor with me? The answer is insurance. I have a number of hours.
I'll be departing here in a couple minutes.
In a number of different aircraft, quite a few different aircraft, but on aircraft that we list for sale, some of those aircraft are insured by our company, others are insured by the owners of the aircraft's company. So that's the reason why sometimes we have a flight instructor with me, or sometimes will be sitting in the right seat. It all has to do with insurance requirements. Coeur d'Alene traffic, Warrior 81016 is 4 to the east, 3,600 feet. We'll be entering at on a 45 for left downwind for 02 Coeur d'Alene. Coeur d'Alene traffic, Warrior 81016, turn final 02, full stop Coeur d'Alene.
Thanks for coming along for the ride in the 1979 Piper Warrior 2. For all of our brokerage aircraft, be sure and visit our website at flycoe.com and click on the aircraft sales tab. Also, we have a new aircraft coming along. It's kind of a hangar find resurrection aircraft, so stay tuned for that one. If you like this type of content, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along.